Hi coders, CS Time channel here, and this time we will talk about access modifiers. This video discuss about type of modifiers, access modifiers, type of access modifiers, and program examples in Java. There are two types of modifiers, access modifiers and non-access modifiers. Our focus in this video is about access modifiers. Access modifiers is a layer of security to our program. It specifies accessibility of a data member, method, constructor, or class. It also functions to change the access level of fields, constructors, methods, and class. There are four types of modifiers. They are public, protected, default, and private. These access levels can be accessed within the class. These access levels, except for private, can be accessed outside the class within the same package. Public and protected can be accessed from outside the package through child class. It means the class in one package and the class in another package has a child and parent relationship. And the last one, except for public, this access modifier cannot be accessed from different package if there is no child and parent relationship. Let's see the program example using Eclipse. Here I have two classes. The first one example class and the other one outsider. In the example class here, I have one variable or field named score that has access modifier public. And I also have one method named display with public access modifier. And I have another class named outsider here that wishes to have an access to this. By giving score and display public access modifier, it allows the outsider to access it whether it is within the same package or if it's different package. So for example, I want to access the score and the display here from outside class here, then I have to create the object for the class. Like this. Once I created the object, now I can access the score as well as the display method from outsider class. Like this. So if I run it here, there will be no error. Okay. Now using the same example, let's see private access modifier. If I change this score to private, for example, like this, also the method to private, like this, let's see the outsider. Using the same code, now I have no access here. If I point this red sign, it says that the field example score is not visible because we make it private here. Private can only be accessed within the class. The same thing happened to the method, like this. Now let's see access modifier protected using the same example. Field score and method display here has protected access modifier. I have one class named alien which is under other package here. We understand from the explanation, the access modifier protected can only be accessed within the class, within the package, as well as different package within the subclass, or it has parents and child relationship. So if we have another class here which is under other package and wish to access the field as well as the method belong to the other class that comes under a different package here, so the first step for you to do is to import the package belong to the example class here, and then it must have the child and parent relationship. So here you will have to put extend example. Once we create an object like this, we will be able to access the method as well as the field belong to the example like this. So if we run, there will be no error here like that. Using the same example, let's see the last access modifier which is default or no modifier. Here my score and the display method has no modifier, as we understand that the default can only be accessed within the class or outside the class within the same package. Therefore, when alien class that comes from different package wish to access the score and the display method, there are error message here, as the score and the display method become not visible from other class that comes from different package. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and like for more videos. Thanks for watching.